everybody. I'm going to be playing Among Us with one of my friends named Kalyssa. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay. Alrighty, I'm going to be doing a task in navigation.
I'm gonna go do electrical.
Okay. That's the bet, right? Oh, shoot, lights. I think it's always good to like start. Yeah. I think. Oh, dead body. Okay. Oh. I'm not sure who. I think it might. Hold on. I'm gonna put something down. Proof. What's up, Journey?
Hello.
What's up? I'm doing a YouTube video right now. YouTube.
Shut up, Bobby. It's light blue.
Yeah, I think it's light blue. Okay. That was my other friend, Journey. She will probably be playing with us next round. Come on, please be light blue. Oh, yes, it was light blue. Okay, still need to fix the lights.
Oh my god, she was named my middle name. Anyways, why is Pink following me?
I'm gonna go. Oh, pink actually stood up for light blue. Oh, shoot, dead body. Oops.
I just died.
You're dead? Here, don't, hold on, don't. Oh yeah, you're dark green. Don't tell me, don't tell me. Don't tell me who it is. Okay. Okay. I think it's pink. Let's see. Hold on, don't tell me if it's pink or not. Let's see. I'm voting pink.
Yes, everybody's correct. I got my justice.
Also, pink also stood up for light blue. White's like, goodbye, pink.
She blew her cover.
Oh yeah, and you did say pink was following you. So yeah, it has to be pink.
How do you get out?
Boom! Pink. Sweet. Okay, let's play again.
See, she blew her cover way too fast.
Mm-hmm. Did someone actually see pink kill you?
Yeah, brown.
Come on, host. There you go. Okay. Okay, let's play another round of Among Us.
Yeah, Obama saw me get killed by people.
Oh, it's starting. What? Oh my gosh. Wow, that was weird. Okay. Oh, I got medbay scan.
Okay, I'll go to my bed. Wait, go to electrical.
How come?
Oh wait, no, I don't have a task.
Okay.
I'm short. Where are you? And you?
I'm in electrical doing lights. Oh! Oh! It's pink! Oh no! Shoot! Shoot! My game crashed. My game crashed. Here, let's leave. Okay, here's another code. Ready?
Yeah.
SX VN TQ.
That was weird. You know how you do an emergency meeting?
Uh-huh.
That popped up on the side of my screen.
Yeah, it popped up when I started. It popped up.
Yeah, and I was like,
Oh, the game's starting. Okay, let's see. Well, I got medbay scan again.
let's see.
Come to medbay.
Oh, actually, I don't have any tests.
Go to medbay. I have medbay scan.
Let me just go to electrical
Oh, reactor. It's red. It's red. It's red. It's red. I know it. It's red.
How?
He stood still. He stood still. And then after the alarm went off, then he started moving. Come on, reactor. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna go do emergency meeting, cause I know it's red.
He keeps following me. Ah, I'm locked in
Do
my
it. Do it. Okay. It's red, cause he did stood still.
Lock the doors and try to kill the thing. Follow me.
He stood still. Then the alarm went off.
And then he locked the doors.
Yeah, and he tried to trap. I was stuck with red
Same.
by myself, and purple died. Purple's dead, and yellow. Sweet. Come on. Yeah, it is red. I just know it. It has to be red. What? He did stood still. He stood
I think
still.
it's pink.
Hold on. Can you come to medbay? I got medbay scan.
Yeah, pink is so slow.
Mhm.
That's all the guys said. Pink is very.
Come to medbay.
I'm coming. I gotta be safe. Okay.
Yeah. Hi. See it. What's this?
I'm too late. I don't have any tasks in my bag.
Medbay has the least amount of tasks.
I think I have this.
Oh, no, where's pink?
Haha.
Yes. No, don't exit the game. Just wait for the host. There we go. Yay. Oh, wait. Why am I... Dang. We're gonna play one more round.
Then what?
And then the YouTube video's over.
Oh my gosh, are you guys gonna start the game?
Start the game. Start the game. Let's start him. Alright, last round. Let's do this.
I'm crewmate.
Crewmate.
You're imposter, I know it.
Why?
Because
Gonna go swap my card.
It's purple.
Are you dead?
Yeah.
Don't say who it is.
I'm sorry.
Where are you? Where are you?
Yeah, dude. Wait, I'm getting to task.
I don't want to just adjust it to be, purple.
Yeah.
But I'll just vote purple. But I just want. Yeah, I don't know who the other imposter is. Let's see.
Okay. No,
Oh, they voted out purple. Yeah. Eli was an imposter. There's an imposter among us.
Okay. How do you know that you can vent to a different place?
Wait, what? What'd you say?
Like, if you were an imposter, how would you know you vented marriage and you didn't go to a different room? Like, how would you know that event was different?
Like, how do you vent?
Yeah.
You remember there's like arrows.
Arrows? What kind of arrows?
Like yellow, there's like yellow arrows next to the vent.
Okay. But I don't
Wow, dark blue just called an emergency meeting for no reason, and all he said was hi. Oh wait, is he talking? Wait, hold on. Oh! No. The name high. The name high. No. Yeah, he said hi, and he meant brown, like hi as the imposter.
That is sus.
I think it's brown. He said it was brown.
Call emergency.
I'm doing emergency meeting. Okay. 10 seconds on the emergency meeting button. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on! Wow. I think you did that on purpose.
Call emergency.
He like, someone did like, a sabotage. Here we go. Run. Okay. Got that. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. Let's see. I really hope it's brown. Oh, he even voted me. Okay. Come on. Hi. Come on. It has to be hi. Yes, he was it. Alright, that's all I'm gonna do today, guys. Hope you have a great day. Kalyssa, say bye. Kalyssa, say bye.